That's him.
That's it. Matthew, stay you are. 8-3, we're with the male now.
Sorry.
Matthew, right, you're under arrest on suspicion of murder. You don't have to say anything, but may have me defence you or mention my question.
You with the subject over?
Murder.
Yeah, 8-3, we're on the main road. Yeah, Matthew, you're under arrest on suspicion of murder. Right, you don't have to say anything, but may have me defence you or mention my question. Something to relate to the court. Anything you do say may be given an evidence.
Yes, main road. So sorry, Mark, dog face.
Murder.
All right. Yeah, on suspicion of murder. All right. The arrest is necessary to prompt an investigation of the offence. All right, and to protect any vulnerable people. All right.
What do you mean murder?
All will be explained, Matt. Yeah, 8-3. The male's been arrested on suspicion of murder by myself. We just put him in a van now.